Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Priyanka. Today I'm going to explain you about how to write an email writing for any online assessment. For any online assessment of email writing, you need to write at least 150 to 200 words. Okay, I'm going to explain the format and detailed explanation and tips to clear this email writing round. Steps to remember for the format. What all steps you need to keep in the mind, I'm going to say you now. Addressing, greetings, subject line, body of the text, closing, signature. Coming to the addressing, how you need to write the address in the email. Addressing means how you need to start. Hi and the name given in the email. Make sure that after writing the name, you need to give it as comma. After writing the name and comma, make sure you press the enter buttons 2 times. So coming to the next paragraph, write the greetings. For any email, this sentence should be as greetings. You need to type it as greetings for the day and 2 exclamatory marks. Make sure you keep 2 exclamatory marks after the day. And then press enter button 2 times. Then you need to write the subject like subject colon and then write it as accordingly what they have given you in the email. Okay, after writing the subject, press the enter button 2 times. Body of the text. In the body of the text, you need to write firstly, comma. Write at least 40 words in the first reason, like what they have given in the email. And then secondly, and then finally. After every paragraph, make sure you enter the enter buttons 2 times. And after the last paragraph, give it as I hope my suggestion will be considered for the welfare of the organization. I'm waiting for your reply with the most anticipation. Okay, after this line, you make sure that you enter the enter buttons 2 times. And the next line will be as kindly revert as soon as possible. After this, you enter the button 2 times. And how to close the email writing. And thanks and regards. Make sure you keep the comma after the regards and your name. Okay, now I'm going to give an example on how to write the email writing. So this is the example how you get for the email writing in any online exam. So my request is that please concentrate on the format, not on the email. First make sure that in the given time you type this format. Now I'm going to explain you how we can write minimum of 150 words with this format. Okay, whenever you see an email writing, make sure that you remember this format. First write it as hi, press enter button 2 times and greetings for the day. Press enter button 2 times, subject, colon, enter the enter button 2 times. Firstly, secondly, finally. I hope my suggestion will be considered for the welfare of the organization. I'm waiting for your reply with much anticipation. Kindly revert as soon as possible. Thanks and regards, Priyanka. I mean, you can give it. You can give your name. Okay. Here, what I want you people to say is that what you need to see in this email writing. Here, in the first paragraph, whatever the name comes, you can give it as here. Okay. Hi Jenkins, comma. Okay. What you need to write the subject. Subject is that what you need to write in the email. Write an email to your manager. What they are saying, write, give the suggestions. 3 areas new employee training should be focused. This will be your subject. Okay. Firstly, what you need to write in the firstly paragraph. Firstly means they'll give the 3 themes what you need to write in the email. So about the company history. As you're working in the company, write something or other. Make sure that your sentence is correct and your vocabulary. Okay. About the company history. About any company you can write. Okay. Secondly, product knowledge. What knowledge you have about that product. Okay. Write at least 40 words. Okay. Make sure that you write at least 40 words in secondly paragraph. And finally, what is the third theme what they gave in the email? Communicating with the customers. Like regarding the communicating with the customers, make sure that you write at least 40 words. Okay, make sure that you write at least 40 words. And after writing this, give it as, I hope my suggestion will be considered for the welfare of the organization, and give it as, I am waiting for your reply with much anticipation, and give it as, kindly revert as soon as possible. Thanks and regards, Priyanka. If you write this format, you can make sure that you wrote at least 65 words with this format. I'm saying you, the word count will be 65, like 64, 65, approximately 60 to 70. Okay, here only we got 60 to 70. So in the subject line and firstly, secondly, finally, make sure that you write at least 40 paragraph, and 40 words. Here, like why I'm saying to write this format is that if at all you complete your time also, this will be a complete format to write an interview. If your time is getting off soon, you can end the sentence with a full stop. Okay, this is the reason why I'm saying you to type the format first. Okay, I hope you understand the format and write it accordingly. Okay, so for any email writing, you can follow this process and you can follow this format. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any email writing, you can comment in the comment section. I'll try to give the answers as soon as possible. If you want to know any detailed information about anything, you can comment it in the chat box, so I'll post the video accordingly. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, click on like, share and subscribe for the more updates. Thank you for watching.